Hello and welcome to Dataczar. Today I'm going to show you how to add pictures or videos to your website at connect.dataczar.com. So let's go to dataczar.com and we're going to get logged in. Click the login button. And we're already logged in. It's going to take us to dashboard on the main menu. We'll get rid of that and go full screen. To work on your website, to add the pictures and videos, you're going to click on the website button right here on the main menu. And we're going to be working with pages. Now the editing tools are the same for pages and posts. So we're going to be working on pages, and then here are the other editing tools we're going to cover at the end under the help. But let's go ahead and look at our website first of all. And this is the public preview URL. Everyone has one of these, and it updates almost immediately. It just goes to our main server. If you have a domain, it shows right here. If you click on your domain to check your updates, it could take a couple minutes. So use the public preview URL to view your updates. Let's go ahead and click on that. So this is the website we're going to be working with. This is our pics and video page. This is the page that we're going to be working with. Let's tab back over. So we're on Connect. We're on the website button. We're going to click on Pages. And the page we're editing is our pics video page. We're going to click the Edit button. And we're going to scroll down. This is the main thing I want to show you right here. Is in the editing box. This is what we're going to be editing. Quickly though, there is a gallery section. We're going to check that. And if you choose to do the gallery section, you can just add images, click on choose, and go to my images, or you can upload an image, or you do a free image. And we're going to go ahead and do this one here. Let's add one more. And click on choose, my images. And let's do the one of the redwoods right here. And so we added the two. And let's go ahead and leave it checked so we'll see what the gallery looks like as well. So here's the editing box. This is where you go to work on your website, to work on the page. And the editing tools in here are identical for posts. First thing we're going to do is we're going to upload an image to my images. So let's click on the Insert Edit Image icon, and then click the up arrow. And then to choose the file from your computer or phone, click on Choose Files. And we're going to go ahead and find it. This is the one we want right here of Vernal Falls. And it's loading right now. And it's loaded. Don't worry about the height and the width, because you can just drag the corner to adjust that. So go ahead and click OK. And that's very large, so let's go ahead and scroll down. Let's adjust it a little bit here. Okay, so there's Vernal Falls. Let's go to Free Images. So that's how you upload an image. Now let's go to show you how to do a free image. Let's put our cursor here. Again, you're going to click the Insert Edit Image icon. You're going to click the up arrow. This time you're clicking on the free image search right here. And right here you're going to search. We're going to do owls. Enter. And we want to use this one right here. So we're going to click Use This Image. And we're going to click OK. And again, it's pretty large, so for these purposes, let's go ahead and shrink it down. And let's go back up a little bit. That looks pretty good. So there's the owl. Next, we're going to do the featured image. Now, the featured image, let's go ahead and delete this. The featured image is found above the editing box where it says featured image. We're going to click choose. And we're going to go to my images. We're going to do this landscape image. Let's do this one right. Let's do this landscape image. We're going to use that one. So we have the landscape image of the frozen lake as the featured image of the half frozen lake. And then one more. We're going to embed a video. Now to embed a video, it needs to be hosted on YouTube. Here's a link that we have for one of our tutorial videos. So let's just copy that. Let's get out of full screen, and let me just paste it in to YouTube. And let's go off of that. right here. Let me just skip the ad. Okay, and let me pause that. So what I'm trying to show you here is when you go to YouTube, there's this share button. The share button works really great for sharing your videos. So click the share button and copy the URL into your clipboard. So that's this URL ends with V2G. That's in my clipboard right now. So let's get out of YouTube and let's go back here to Connect. So to embed the video, oops, tab back over. This is to the website button. This is back on the editing screen. And let's remove this. This is the same link that we just copied into our clipboard. Let's remove that. So to embed the video, let's Shift Enter. You click the Insert Edit Image icon, or Insert Edit Media, I'm sorry. This is the Insert Edit Image for the pictures. This is the Insert Edit Media for the YouTube videos. Click on that. And then you're going to paste the share link into the source. And click OK. You could also paste the URL. It would work too. We just like to use the share link. It seems to be most effective. So there's the video that we just copied, and if we click on it later, it's going to play. So there it is. There's how to add to the gallery, how to add images, how to add a video. We're going to click Update. And now we're going to tab over to our AAA Outdoor Scenes website. This is the home page. Let's go ahead and refresh the website and go back to the pics and videos. And these are the two gallery images that we added. If you don't want the gallery, just leave that unchecked and you won't have it. And then here's the image there's the featured image that we added of the half-frozen lake. Here's the image that we uploaded. Here's the free image. And here's the video. If you click on it, it's going to play, and I can hear it in my ear right now. So it's playing. Let's go ahead and stop that. Okay, so let's go back over to Connect. And again, if you don't want the gallery, uncheck that. Click Update. Tab back over. And Pics Videos, there it is. We removed it. So let's tab back over to Connect. Quickly, let's go to the Help button. If you need any help getting started building your website, or if you have other questions, go to the featured tutorial videos first of all. This first one, how to start building your website, is a great one. That's the one that we just loaded. And also how to add a page or a post to your website, how to change the look of your website. There's some other ones as well. Let's go back to Dashboard. And that's it. That's how to add pictures and videos to your website with Dataczar Connect.